Hello everyone, my name is John. For those who are not familiar with our channel, I'm going to do a quick introduction to our YouTube channel. 2 weeks ago, me and my friend we launched our YouTube channel, and this channel is about DevOps training for people who want to learn the DevOps. So we decided to launch a free DevOps training YouTube channel. And in the training, we're going to provide Linux and cloud engineering training and also DevOps training. And also, we're going to cover a Python training. So, for you to be able to follow the training, we're going to start with a Linux. And for Linux, you need to have access to Linux server. So, that's why we decided to do this video to help you have access to Linux server. So today we are going to install VirtualBox for you to be able to have access to the training and be able to practice all the comment. So first, what we're going to do today, we're going to download the VirtualBox. So that's the link right here to download the VirtualBox. We also have our GitHub account. So we're gonna put a link for the GitHub account on the video description, that you can have access to all this link and be able to download and install Linux server. First, we have to go to the VirtualBox web page and go and download the VirtualBox. So you have to go to the page and see if you have a Windows. You can click here to download for Windows and Mac and all those. But right now I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows one. So I'm going to show you step by step how to download the VirtualBox and also install the Linux server. First, we are going to download the Windows. We're going to download the VirtualBox for Windows. So it's downloading right now. Okay, now it's downloaded, so I'm going to open it. And now I'm going to install the VirtualBox. Okay, so right now it said that the VirtualBox need to have a Visual C++ 2019. So okay, right here, yeah, we have the link on the line 3, number 3. Right here we have the link to download the C++, a Visual C++. So give me one. Yeah, so we have it right here, and I also put a link on the GitHub account, the number 3. That's the link for Visual C++ link. So I'm just gonna click here to download that. And for this one, I need the 64 one. And this one is downloading too. Okay, it's done now. So now I'm gonna click on it to install that. Okay, now it's installed, so I'm gonna close this page. And now that we have this installed, so I'm going to install the VirtualBox again. Okay, that one failed, so now I'm going to install it again. Okay, now let's go. And we can see right here the virtual box is installed already, so we're just going to wait for him to finish the installation. Okay, now I'm finished. Okay, now I'm going to open it so that you can see how it look like. Okay, now you can see the virtual box. Right now is empty, there's nothing inside. So what are we going to do now? We're going to download the Linux server, and when we download the Linux server, it's gonna be installed right here. And on the GitHub account, you can see right here we download the virtual box, and we also download this one for the Visual C++. And now we're gonna go to the number 2 to download the Vagrant. Vagrant is gonna be the one that's gonna allow us to be able to download the Linux server. So I'm going to the Vagrant website to be able to install Vagrant. So for Mac, if you have a Mac, you can go through this step to download for MacBook. But I'm on Windows, so I'm just gonna go to the Windows one. So now I'm just waiting for the to finish download. Okay, now it's finished now. So I have a Vagrant right here, so I'm gonna click on it. Just need to click accept. Now install. Now I'm just gonna go back to the GitHub account again. Now we have the VirtualBox install. We also have a Vagrant is installing right now, and now we also have the Visual Studio C++ install. And the only thing we have left is to go to this link to be able to download the server. So now we need a vagrant box. That's where you can find all the Linux server. You can type a group in the Google. You can look for vagrant box. It's the same page that I open right here. So I can close this one. Just still waiting for the Vagrant to be able to finish installing. Okay, now we have the Vagrant setup. The Vagrant is download and finished. The installation is finished. Okay, so you must restart the system, but no, we're not gonna restart that. So now I'm going to look for the Linux. We're going to download Ubuntu. Ubuntu right here, that's the server that we're going to download. Okay, now we have the Ubuntu server right here. So we're going to look for the recent one, and this one was created like 22 days ago. So I'm going to click on this one. And this one is a little bit heavy. So we're going to look for another Ubuntu server. Okay, let's try to see this one. Yeah, the size for this one too is a little bit heavy. So let's see to the next one and see if you can see something that is a small. Yeah, for this one too, you cannot see the size, so we're just gonna go back. Okay, now we have the Vagrant installed on the computer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to download the Ubuntu server. So you just click right here and type Ubuntu. And now you just scroll down and go to the last one. It was released like 22 days ago. So you click on this one, or you can download any of them. Make sure that the release was like the recent one. So we're just gonna click on this one, and right here you click on new, and we're going to use this command to download the server. So now you go to the search bar and look for terminal. You can see it right here. If you can see, you can just type terminal right here. It's gonna show up right here. Okay, now we're going to open the desktop. So you type cd and desktop, and you click on the tab, and it's gonna complete it. So you click enter. Now we're going to create a file on the desktop that is gonna hold all the server information that we have here. So now we type mkdir to create a server. You can name it anything that you want. For this one, I'm gonna name it Linux dash server. Oh yes, Linux dash server. That's good. You can name it anything that you want. And now I'm going to, you see the server, you see the files is open right here. So for now, don't worry about all the command. We're going to learn all the command when we start the course. This one is only to install the Unix server for now. So now don't worry about any of those commands. We're going to learn that when we start the courses. So now we're going to open this folder that we just created. So we click Linux. You type cd and you type le, and you click on the tab key to complete that, and you type enter. You click on the enter to open it. Okay, now that I have the terminal, I'm on this, I'm able to open the file now. So now we're going to go back to the Vagrant website and copy this comment right here. So I'm gonna copy this one and go back to the terminal, and I'm gonna paste this comment right here. For mine, it's not working, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to type the comment. Mine, for some reason, is now, it doesn't want to be paste. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type it. So I'm just going to type all the comments right here, but you can try to see if you can copy and paste over there. Make sure that you don't make any mistake when you type in everything. So now I'm just verify, make sure that I have everything correctly. Yeah, it seems like I have everything. So what I'm going to do now, click on enter. Now it's download all the file for the server now. So now we just wait for everything to be ready. Yes, you can see right here, it says the file, it says Vagrant file has been placed in this directory. So if we open this one, the folder that we create early, you can see the Vagrant file is right here. So now it's gonna tell you everything that you have to do. He said now all you have to do is when you are ready, everything is ready. You can see right here it says Vagrant app. That's the next comment. The next comment is right here. That's the same thing it's telling us to type it right here. So I'm gonna type it Vagrant app. now it's gonna have the server. It's gonna start download the server and have the server ready. So now I'm gonna open the virtual box. You can see right here it start downloading. Yeah, you can see right here it's downloading the server right now. So when it's done, you're going to see the server is going to show up right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the video. So when it's ready, I'm gonna come back. Okay, now we have everything. We have the server ready, and you can see right here that the server is done. Everything is done, and we can see that the server is ready. And so right here you can see Linux server, and now you can click on the setting if you want to make any change. Like right here I can change the name if I want to. So what I'm going to put Ubuntu/server. Okay, now you can see that everything is ready. I was able to download the server, and right here you can see the server right here. It's the Ubuntu server. I was able to change the server name, so you can click right here on the setting if you want to change the name, and you just write it, the name that you want, you just write it right here, Ubuntu server, and after that you just click OK, and right here you have the Ubuntu server ready. Yeah, that's it for this video. That's all you need for the 20 to be able to follow the 20 and do all the practice. You just need this server to be able to do what you can also download the CentOS server, but if you have the Ubuntu one, it's enough already. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like that, when we start the course on next week, we're going to be able to do the first 20. Like that, you can follow the 20. Thank you for following this video, and see you on the next video.